Alright, in this video we are going to be dividing fractions by whole numbers and whole numbers by fractions. This will be computation only. There'll be a companion video that has word problems, but this we're just going to work on the computation. Alright, we're going to do the first, we'll do the first three on this. That should, that should be enough to get you guys going. Alright, so on each of these, the thing we need to remember is when we're dividing with fractions, whatever number we're dividing by, we're going to flip, or we're going to invert that number. So when we're dividing, and only when we're dividing, are we going to flip this. So my 5 becomes 1/5. Rewrite my 1/4, and then now I'm going to multiply across. Alright, so 1 times 1 gives me 1, 4 times 5 gives me 20, and so my answer is 1/20th. And so really the only hard part about this is just remembering when we're dividing with fractions, whatever we're dividing by, we have to flip that and then multiply across. Alright? When we're given a fraction and we flip, now in this case it's going to be pretty easy because when we flip this, this will become 3 wholes. But even if it wasn't, and we may skip down to new number 7, just so I can show you this. Alright, so we're going to flip here. Don't do anything to the 9. My division symbol becomes a multiplication symbol. 9 times 3 gives me 27. And that's really all there is to it. Now let's come down here to number 7. I'll try to keep all the first 2 in the frame if I can. Close enough. Alright, so on this one, on number 7, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to flip this. And we end up with 5 times 3 halves. So we need to do 5 over 1 and then multiply across. So we've got 5 times 3, which gives us 15. 1 times 2, which gives us 2. So we end up with 15 halves. So this is improper. We need to convert it to a mixed number. Easiest way to do that is to just do the division problem. Remember, these are just division problems in disguise. 2 goes into 15 7 times. 7 times 2 is 14. I get a remainder of 1, so I'm right. My remainder is 1/2, and so my answer is 7 1/2. And that's all there is to this. The hard part about these is just remembering when we're doing the division with the fractions, we've got to flip, we've got to invert the number that we're dividing by.